everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be spray painting my wheel trims black on my Volkswagen Up. Let's get into the video. So we're taking the wheel trims off, but the previous owner zip tied them on, which is fair enough, so I'm going to snip them off with these. Get all four of them off, then we're going to sand, prime, clean, paint, whatever. Now these should come on! Cardboard, wheel trims, cleaner.
Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her hair shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit.
Now we wait.
Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. Yeah. I'm sitting this shit like a total little nigga, so came with a kid on it. There's something too light, it can't get these.
Now we're just gonna sand them down.
Dope in my hand, I had to go flip something. He want the scoop, she want.
So we're 2 down, 2 to go. But there goes the cardboard.
It costs, it never been cheap. It never been turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up,
High volume.
cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it.
2 done, 2 to go. Wheels all fully primed. Might have to come back and do a second coat before we can move on to the black. These ones already look pretty dry, it's just these two that we've just done now. But yeah, they don't look too bad. But they're all dry now, completely dry. They might not look dry, but trust me, they are dry. Okay, so they're dry now. Now we're gonna just spray them black, and yeah. Right, we'll start with this one because we started with this one originally. It's a bit dry.
Picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her hair shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up. Yeah. Just look at the diamonds we bust. Yeah. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. Yeah. I'm sitting this shit like a total little nigga, so nasty, I never been flushed. Bulletproof ravers, it came with a kid on it. There's something too light, it can't get you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it.
We ran out of spray paint on the last wheel, so Kai's gonna go fetch some more. Let's hope he gets there in time because it shuts in 10 minutes and he ain't got ID, so let's hope he gets it. It's only the tiniest bit left as well, just the inner bits. So we didn't get to finish spray painting the wheel trims today because obviously we ran out, and then Kai went down to the shop to go buy us some spray paint, but he says that the woman started shouting at him and he couldn't buy it. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. I'm gonna go down to the shop and see if I can try to get some spray paint, and yeah, we'll try and get finished tomorrow. So it's the next day now and I finally got some spray paint, so we're gonna go out and finish spraying the last wheel and do a second coat on the other 3 wheels, let them dry and put them on the car finally. So we're going to go check up on the wheels and see how they've dried and see what they're saying really. So these ones are looking fine, looking mint, except from this one that we need to finish spraying because this is the one we ran out on, but the rest are all dry and they're looking good. And yeah, mint. So we're going to start spraying now. I've just tested it and it looks fine. So we're going to start spraying now. So they're done now. They look pretty good. Now we're just going to wait for them to dry. We can get them on the car. So we're going to start putting them on the car now. Got them all laid out to which wheel.
How much it costs? It never been cheap. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street need bosses.
They look mint. They look so good. Now, I'm going to cable time on so they don't fall off.
Standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing. Shit, we turn the jeweler up. Just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sending this shit like a toilet, little nigga. So nasty, I've never been flushed.
Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the black wheels on the Volkswagen Up. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.